How to insert picture in Microsoft Word. Go to Chrome application or any browser you want to use. Search the word.cloud.microsoft and create blank document. So example, if you want to insert picture here in Microsoft Word, first you need to put the cursor on place where the picture you inserted. So for example, I put here on the front of this page. And after that, go to page menu and go to insert. Here in insert, go to drawing. Here in drawing section and insert page, you can see here the picture. You can click this and now select the picture you want to use. So for my example, I select my logo and after that, click open to insert this picture. Now you can customize this picture. So you can resize it, change the position, you can crop, you can change the height, the width, you can add alternative text. And after that, to save or insert this picture to your Word document, click Save and Close button on the upper right side of this drawing section. You can resize this picture and you can change the position of this. You can put on left, right, or center.